Welcome to the Flash Performance Home Office. I am Chad, and we're going to talk about making a little bit more room. I am here today with my MaxiSys Elite, and this tablet does have the ADAS software on it. So that means I got a lot of stuff packed in a itty bitty little bag. This tool has 32 gigs of memory, and I recently did a factory reset on it, and you can check out that video in the description below. If you've already done a factory reset and you're still looking to save some more room, I'm going to go through the process on how to do that on your tablet. And there's a couple different ways that Autel has given us to be able to do those steps. And the first one is going into Data Manager and going into Apps Uninstall. If you go into Apps Uninstall, you'll be able to delete the different files of vehicles that you don't necessarily see in your shop or that you don't need. Now, when you do this style, you would go on to the one that you want to delete. So in this case, I'm going to delete Abrith. I'm going to click on that. And Lanka, I don't need that one. And we can click the trash can button up in the top and then click delete, and those will go away. Now, where do they go? Well, it doesn't really go away. That's kind of a misnomer. So actually what happens is it doesn't show up whenever you go into your diagnostic screen. It doesn't show up on the apps that you can select. So if you just wanted to clean up your apps and not have all these extra cars that you're never going to see, you can do that right there in Apps Uninstall. But it doesn't really save you any room on your tool. To do that, we got to go a different way. So let's go to the home screen and click on ES File Explorer. When we click on ES File Explorer, we're actually going into the SD card of the tool to delete some of these apps. We're going to click on Scan, go down to Vehicle, and I'm just going to go into, we'll start in Asia. So if I pick one, let's say Daihatsu, I'm never going to see that one, hold down on it and then the check mark will appear, and then you can actually select any other vehicles that you don't want to have on your tool. You can delete all of them that you want gone. Now that I've deleted the ones that I want gone, I can select the delete button down at the bottom. Hold on, stop. Now, if you delete these off of your tool, if you are not under update contract, they will be gone forever and you cannot recover them. If you are under update contract, you can go back in under update and download these later on. So be warned, if you delete these, they are gone forever unless you're under update contract. I'm going to go ahead and delete mine. We click on delete, and you can see how many megs that I've saved. This one, out of these 10 items, not very big files. We're going to save about 323 megs. We'll click OK. I'm going to click back on vehicles, and then I'm going to go into, let's go into Europe. There's quite a few vehicles I'm never going to see in my area. So Alpha, I'm never going to see one of those. Citron. So we'll go ahead and delete those. These are quite a bit bigger files. So this is 1.4 gigs worth of information that I'm saving. So the 1.4 plus the other ones, I've saved almost 2 gigs in data. So we'll go ahead and click OK on that. And deleting was successful. We'll click back on vehicles. We'll go into USA. I'm going to see all those cars, not going to delete anything there. You can delete some of the videos if you don't necessarily want them on your tool. I'm going to leave mine on there. I don't need that much space. So I've gone through all the ones that I need. So now if I click the home button, I can go back up to MaxiSys. And if I go under updates, you'll see all the cars that I have deleted show back up in my updates. If I want to download them again, I can do that. Now, personally in my area, I'm not going to see a Lamborghini, a Bugatti, and a bunch of these other supercars, so I can delete those out. And if I need to, I can go back in and put them into the tool later on if one of those decides to show up in my market. Now, you'll see that it says up here at the top, it says show recent and show all. So if I only want to see the recent ones that I have done, those vehicles that I see all the time will show up at the top. So right now I have a Volkswagen update available. If I click show all, it'll show all updates available. This is how Autel has given you a way to see only the updates that you want and not have to see everything every time. So it's a nice little addition to the tool. So I hope that helps save you some memory, save you some time, and save you some aggravation with your Autel tool. This will work with any of the Autel MaxiSys tools from a 905 all the way up to an Elite. I'm Chad from Flash Performance. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the page. We'll catch you next time.